huge trout. Bring it in, Quinn. Over here, over here. He's a huge trout. He's humongous. Look at the size of that thing. Here, let's bring him over to this rock over here. See that rock up there? We'll bring him up there. Keep him coming, Quinn. Woo! Sweet. That is... Let him wear himself out. Let him wear himself out. I'm away from that rock.
Holy crap.
Okay. Make sure he's worn out. You got this on camera? Look at the thing. Make sure he's coming. Because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We're going to let him go, right?
Yeah.
We're going to weigh him and stuff. Okay?
Yeah.
Hold on a sec. Just make sure he stays there, okay? He can flare up.
Woo! Well, that's an awesome fish. Dang it.
Alright.